Right, so welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are down with the boys who outfitted my Max and the Fuse on that, and we are fitting the drive shafts to the Focus ST, so stay tuned.
Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance.
Alright, so look where we are.
This is where that's the only two he's got left.
Look at these familiar faces.
It's on that.
Alright, anyway, before we do start the video, these lot have got a YouTube channel now called Fools with Tools, so they're bringing out videos pretty much every week, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave that in the link description down below. But we need to sort this bag of shit today, so we need to get these off, and then we'll be able to get the car on. We'll be able to get it on. Right, so let's get these out. Boxes. Last one. They're not the lightest of things, really, are they?
Heavy duty, that's why. They ain't gonna break again.
Alright, let's crack these walnuts off.
One step ahead of you. Yeah,
You already cracked them up, have you? Fucking already cracked. It's already cracked them, isn't it? Oh, you little shit. These two animals down there.
Yeah. The miners. It's like the same fucking bush as Harry's, isn't it? Yeah, and he didn't look too shabby.
Hey. Right, let's get started on this. This is probably going to be a painful next hour or two, this is, isn't it? Right, so obviously this bottom ball joint's got to come out. Fucking hell, before Jack completely sprays me in the face.
It wasn't spraying, was it? You had to get a fucking sick camera angle there, and that's what I was thinking.
Track with endings come off, clearly, and then the fucking mouse. Oh, I'm going to strip these down as well whilst we're here because I'm getting a bit of brake wobble at the minute. So check the sliders and that. What are these? Are these still single pot calipers? They're quite big, isn't they? Fucking hell, it's huge for a single pot. That's why I end up snapping one of my bolts and this car ain't going nowhere. You can see it happening now, can't you?
Don't be so negative.
Something DSG.
You got a steering lock on? Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't let out.
Don't know what. Out, innit?
Oh, look at that there.
Straight out.
That's annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's meant to be. You can get it. Ah, no, you might.
Well, I'll come closer so everyone can see what's going on.
All I can see is
Taking out the bottom ball joint. Oh yeah, you probably can't see anything, but yeah, the bottom ball joint is coming out.
Oh, get it off then.
He's gone tight.
Time for Barry the brake bar, isn't it?
Where's the tool tire?
Yeah, sorry.
Shouldn't be able to swing it off my arm. No, doing it.
There.
Yeah, it might be worth swinging in.
Swing the other way.
really.
Yeah, ain't even you, man, is there? Do you want
In there, innit?
I don't know where I've got a lever off.
Alright, what's going on, Jacko?
That's ready to come out, really, once it's gotten out the oven.
Got to get him out of there, and then just hope they haven't rammed themselves in the teeth on the inside there.
He shouldn't be too bad. Once it's got
Should be
soft
alright
now.
though, shouldn't it? Yeah.
Or you just stick.
I'll just swap out like that. It's through. There's new shafts going anyway, so it fucking matters.
Oh, lovely.
Come straight out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Rub away.
Got him.
Look at that.
Look at that.
If you give him a nice solid pull, you might just pop out the box.
I'll be lucky. Pulled him out the fucking.
Come out the joint, is it?
Yeah, it's come out the joint now. I just felt it pop out.
Jack, is there an edge on there to hit it with a hammer?
Fucking in there.
No, I don't think
Shit.
Tight?
Don't buy a fucking Focus, so I say.
I mean, buy 50,000 miles.
Let's come out the joint now.
That's come out the joint now.
Right.
That's me.
Oh, look, this is the best place I can get. Where's my
Do you
tool?
want bigger bar?
Oh, no, I can't get it.
We did lose a bit of oil, but
Just a
Just a
little bit.
bit.
So I'll just put some new ones in.
right, let's go.
Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Sorry.
Soft down again.
Yeah, if you got one.
Yeah.
Go on.
And he goes. Going in?
I need your bigger one.
So at least it's still leaking. That's right.
Come on, you
Not going in.
Sorry, I didn't mean to fight.
That's fuck the camera.
Yeah, you went. Fucked a little bit there.
Pissing out.
You can get him in the hub.
Old shaft is
Like
there.
roller bearings.
What do you reckon then?
See them there?
Yeah,
It's like roller bearings. There's 3 of them.
Yeah.
And they all run up and down each groove like that.
Yeah.
Then obviously that needs to extend whether you're going, yeah, or around the corner, because obviously the drive shaft
I
has to
can
get
tell
longer.
if he's a fucked or not then. So obviously this is like one
Well, it's more warped. That's what happens with these. Bend.
bend there.
If they got a bend, they're doing that when you
No, that's
drive them.
why
There.
they're
So you make,
shaking like
yeah,
fuck.
because they twist.
Yeah. Good. New one in on the near side now.
But if the CV was gone, it'd be because like roller bearings gone.
Yeah.
You can rebuild them, but it's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Present up. We've got to start. Oh, he's there.
Now you're spitting the pull joint. You want to get a lever bar and yeah.
Let me see your hand. She's good around as well. Yeah, fine. Don't keep it. Oh, hi.
Is everyone having Chinese for dinner?
No.
Jack, there's a fuck kebab out on there.
I was going to say, it's fucking... Yar's house is shut, isn't it? It's only Chef Lynn. I fucking hate Chef Lynn. Fucking crap.
Yeah, we've already picked up chicken wrap shop.
Eh?
We've already
Yeah, it's going to have to be a kebab, right?
Jack loves the camera, don't you, Jack?
No, I don't mind it, you know.
Oh, you. Fucking ideal, you've got to shop it as well, then, isn't it?
Yeah,
Again,
fucking
Luke's
perfect.
doing
Is it fucked with it?
nothing.
No, it's like, you might have been caught a bit funny, man.
Good little spectator.
Hey, me. Come on, Jack, got anything to say to the boys at home?
Don't be taking the piss out of me. You are. Fucking hell.
Jack, you're supposed to be the main man of fucking Fools with Tools, aren't you?
No, Harry is.
No, Jack is.
Oh, there we go. Which one is it then? I'm
You are.
Alright, so that's first shaft in. Look how it's turned up now. Fucking whole gang's here now. They're all there. Right, time to put the second shaft in, which is the longer one. Which is right here, so. We have to check the gearbox fluid levels as well after this, because obviously we've had lost a fair amount of,
Yeah, decent amount.
decent amount of gearbox fluid. Right, everything's pretty much done on this
I
side.
can't imagine.
Track
pulling
whatever's
that.
out, bottom ball joints
Wait
out.
for they to get the shaft ready.
Knock the shaft out. There he is, look at him. He's ready. Also, had done do that little bracket. Oh, Jack's already done the bracket there. Only Jack. He's a good boy, isn't he?
Yeah, I don't mess about.
Don't mess
Do
about.
what I'm told.
What was that?
I haven't got it.
Hang on, I haven't got this in
Yeah.
me.
Alright, use. Someone get lead bar on the armour.
What's up?
That's why you guys being big muscle.
Where's this going? I need to turn this disc. Have you got the arm?
It's not going on teeth right, is it?
It's not spline up. There we
Alright.
go.
There we go.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, that's job fucking.
Job's good.
In? All in?
Job's smooth.
Make sure I'm in all the way.
Yeah, that's what she said, isn't it?
Give him just twat the hub a couple times. Yeah, like you'll.
Right, I can't really get on the drive shaft.
Use the fucking
push
that
that
one.
back. Push that back. Yeah. It's there, it's in all the
Say
way.
he's in, 'cause he-
I'd say he's in after that as well.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah? Is there a shop round here? 'Cause I know you can get some beer.
Yeah.
close to 8 tonight.
Rona. Go on, Jack.
Yeah, got scared, boy.
That's a funky phone case, isn't it?
Film a bit.
Film a bit. What? Yes. Okay.
I need the extension.
Boom. 2 drive shafts done. Well done. Cheers for that, lads.
That's right.
Thank you. Obviously, the main thing now is to go test drive it. So,
Rag the shit out of it.
rag the shit out of it. Yeah, let's see what these little jammy drive shafts are like. And I'm coming back in 5 minutes after I've snapped them off already, haven't I? Now, I'll get the wheels on and I'll have one of you two be a cameraman for me. Oh yeah, and also we need to put the gearbox fluid in as well because we forgot about that. How much we actually took out here? Fair bit, innit? Fill that up a bit in a minute then.
24 mil.
Volvo
24.
engine,
So we
isn't it?
found out Wade.
Look, it even
Also
says
filling
Volvo.
it in there and draining it in there, but we don't need to drain it because
Oblong. Oh,
we're
he's
not.
filming.
Yeah, so we just need to crack this nut. But it looks like a bit. That ain't like rusted on or anything.
Nah, sure is. The only point is it's steel and aluminium. They're not.
Well, I'm
two
down here. I
different
can have a look at everything, can I?
things. Maybe using the fucking ratchet there. I use
That
ratchet and
beautiful new drive shafts, eh? Obviously, this is that new gearbox. Not well, it's not new, but it was on there already. That gearbox mounted on top. I did look at it. I think they're like 150 quid or 200 quid or something.
That's fair, isn't it? Or is it Hollybush?
Professionals.
Apparently used stuff's better because it's been around once.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's all mixed together well.
Normally we
All
won't
the metal
refill it.
filings in it, just make it a bit thicker.
Bits of
Well,
gearbox.
who's got it? So I
just
want
flipping
it quick.
They're all done. So, now, just torque these wheels up and go for a little test drive, innit?
Road test.
Road test.
One of you.
Right. Got Johan. It's Johan, isn't it?
Johan.
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 Who the fuck is Johan? Well, we're going to take it for the first test drive. See what it's like. We'll see if we put all the gearbox fluid in that and that. Where the fuck am I going there anyway? See what these shafts like them, boys.
Yeah. Turn the radio up.
Turn the radio up. That was fucking dick.
You will do
Which
it.
way should I go? Left, right?
Right.
Shouldn't go too crazy, really, should we? Yeah, boy, she ain't fucking shaking now, is she? Woohoo! Move away now, boys.
Keep it flat, go up.
Huh?
Cut the corner, keep it flat.
She's pulling.
It goes alright, doesn't it?
It's alright now, isn't it? Oh, fucking hell, boys, jumping all over the place here. Ideal. Alright, so I'll catch up with you lot when we get back now.
Spot on.
Alright, so that'll wrap up the drive shafts, all done. Massive thanks to the boys again. Make sure you check them out. Fools with Tools on YouTube and Instagram. You got Instagram, haven't you? Yeah, on Instagram, yeah. Obviously, I'm going to do a few more videos of these in the future now because obviously they're in a fucking easy location and it's out in the middle of nowhere, so yeah, it's easy to find them. And we're going to get on the piss all the time now anyway, so that's all we have, especially Jack, look at him, Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and make sure you hit that bell button as well to be notified every single time I upload. All my social media is in the description down below and check out all the LB apparel merch. I'll catch you in the next video. See you there.